Let's move to the question number 2. The equation of the curve is such that the dy over dx is equal to 4 times 2x minus 5 whole cube minus 9x to the power of 1 over 2. The curve passes through the point A, which is a comma negative 11 over 2. Find the gradient of the normal to the curve at the point A. Okay, first we find the gradient of the tangent, gradient of tangent to the curve at A, and which is equal to dy over dx at point A, which is 4 over negative 11 over 2. This is the empty gradient of the tangent. Just plug the value of A, which is 4 and negative 11 over 2 in given derivative equation. So empty is equal to dy over dx at point 4 comma 11 over 2 negative, and this one is equal to 4 times 2x means 2 times 4 minus 5 whole cube minus 9x, which is 4 to the power of half, and this one is equal to the 4 times 3 cube minus 9 times 2 square to the power of half, and this one is equal to the 4 times 27 minus 9 times 2, and this will be equal to the 108 minus 18, which is equal to 90. So we have calculated the slope or gradient of the tangent to the curve at point A, and we need to find the gradient of the normal. So we know that the product of normal curve with tangent is equal to negative 1. We need to find the gradient of the normal. So mn times gradient of the tangent, which is 90, is equal to negative 1. Okay, so mn is equal to negative 1 over 90. So this is the gradient of the normal to the curve at point A. Okay, part B, find the equation of the curve. We have given the derivative equation, which is dy over dx is equals to the 4 times 2x minus 5 to the power of whole cube minus 9 to the x to the power of half. So this equation can be written as dy is equals to 4 times 2x minus 5 whole cube minus 9x to the power of half dx. Okay, now we need to find the equation of the curve, so just we will integrate it. So integration will give you y, because integration of dy is y, and this one is equal to integration of 4 times 2x minus 5 whole cube minus 9x to the power of half dx. Okay, so y in this case is equal to 4 will be multiple, and integration of 2x minus 5 is 2x minus 5, power is 3, so it will be increased by 1 over 3 plus 1. So 2 was multiple with x, so it will be divided. Minus 9x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 over power, which is 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 3, and this one is equals to the, okay, 3 plus 1 is 4, and this one is cancel out, so we will have 2 times x minus 5 whole power 4 over 2, and this one is equal to 9x to the power of 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 and plus c. So this will equal to the 3. So we will have y is equals to 2x minus 5 whole power 4 divided by 2 minus 2 times 3, which is 6x to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, we have calculated the equation of curve, but there is an unknown c. To calculate the unknown c, we will use the point A, because this point satisfy the given equation. So a point 4 comma negative 11 over 2 satisfy above equation. So we will use this point to calculate the value of unknown c. So plugging this value in this equation, we will have negative 11 over 2 is equals to 2x, which is 4 minus 5 whole power 4 by 2 minus 6x, which is 4 to the power 3 by 2 plus c. And this one is equals to negative 11 over 2 equals to 8 minus 5, 3, 3 to the power of 4 is 81 over 2 minus 6, and 4 to the power of 3 by 2 is 8 plus c. So c is equals to the negative 11 over 2 minus 81 over 2 plus 48, and c will be equals to 92 negative over 2 plus 48, which is equals to the negative 46 plus 48, and c is equals to 2. So we have calculated the unknown value. So plugging this value in this equation, so we will have the curve equation, which is y over 2x minus 5 whole power 4 over 2 minus 6x to the power of 3 by 2 plus c means plus 2. So this is the required curve equation.